guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Cree. I'm going to show you how to refresh old braids today. This is what my hair is looking like freshly done versus 3 weeks later. Look at that growth and frizz. You can't even see the parts of my hair anymore, and that would just not do. So I'm going to show you an easy way to make your hair look fresh again without having to redo your whole head. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm starting by taking down my hair along the edges of my hair. So it's simple. We're going to go around the perimeter of my head. So the edges in the front and the hair along the parts in the middle. Okay, so the products I'm using is the olive oil and mango butter elastic QP moisturizer, the Life Naturals Argan oil, and the Shine and Jam edge control. The olive oil and mango butter moisturizer is just to lock the hydration into my hair and the oil to seal. And I'm using the edge control to slick back any frizz that I may have. And by the way, when I took these braids down, my hair was already very soft because the way I braid my hair initially, it definitely locks in the moisture. This is just giving it that extra oomph to keep it all the way until I take my hair down. How do you think?
I think it's going pretty well. Oh, look at that. It looks great already.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You were cool.
No.
There you are. Why you being sneaky with your camera? Go away. I don't want to be on no YouTube. No. Hi, fans. Only fans.
Wow. You're rude. I'm over here minding my own business, and you know who came to mess with me, talking about my hair look nice, and I only did one braid. He know he playing, but no, he probably meant it. He liked to hype me up to make his wife feel good, but for real, he is my #1 fan. Anyway, back to business. I am taking down the rest of the braids. I don't know why I just did one braid. I took it down and then braided up. I just went ahead and did the whole row just to make it easier, and I leave just a little bit at the top just so the whole braid doesn't unravel. This prevents your hair from snagging as you braid or the extra loose strands getting caught in other braids, because I do not like that. I either have to unravel the braid to get that hair out, or you're going to risk breaking your hair off. Why are you running? Come back. Come here. Come here. I gotta tell you a secret.
I'm listening.
You gotta come closer. It's a secret.
Okay.
Can you come here?
Yes, speak.
I gotta whisper in your ear. You're too low.
No, it's okay. Nobody's here.
Come here.
Nobody's here.
So you can't hear
I
because.
can hear you clearly.
Can you come closer?
It's clear. Just keep talking.
I'm loud. I gotta whisper the secret.
Whisper, like me.
No, come here. Come here.
I'm going downstairs. Really?
Where?
Sneaky. Ah! Sneaky. Go ahead. Leave me alone. This is my lawyer's son. This is copyright infringement. Are you YouTube video?
Why was that man kissing my leg while he was on the floor? He act like he don't want to be in the camera, but then he being sneaky and walking in the background, and he knew I was recording. See, every time, I'm telling you. I have officially taken down all the braids along the part in the middle. Now I was trying to braid these babies up. Usually I would take down the braids along the back top row, but I was pressed for time. I was trying to hurry up and go somewhere, so I just did the front parts and my edges. This method usually doesn't take that much time. It took me about 1 hour to take all the braids down and 1 hour to braid everything up, which is worth it because I can wear this style for another 2 weeks and it will still look good. I am now done with the braids along my part, and I'm moving on to do the braids along my edges in the front. This time I'm only going to do the 3 on each side because like I said, I was pressed for time, so I didn't have time to do the rest of them. So one side is done of my edges, and I'm going to move on to the next. Usually when I do this and I end up wrapping my hair at night, it really helps to lay down any loose flyaway. So you'll see later when I show you how my hair came out. Okay, so I am all done. I have finished braiding up along my edges, and this is how my hair came out. It definitely is an improvement from what it looked like at the beginning of this video. Hooray! And you will see how I styled it later today to go to my event. And you'll see how it looked 1 week later after I refreshed it. It looked even better than it did on the first day. Okay guys, I'm nearing the end of this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please feel free to comment, like, subscribe, and let me know if any more things you want to see on my channel, whether it's hair or other things. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.